for this.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Stop trying. Close your eyes. What is this? Am I a baby? Look at what this guy is. Are you okay? What is wrong?
I don't know.
Let me get you water.
Okay.
Hello, Yuko.
Hey, Castro B!
Obo, abeg. No greet me. Oyuko, no greet me.
But wetin happen?
Oyuko, what you dey do?
How?
I hear say you carry your 3 weeks relationship side chick come house. Obo, come on, you dey risk o. What if your real woman come know?
Guy, my serious relationship. Now long distance. So this one with day and your part time. By the way, before anything go sup. Before anything go sup, this one go come out.
Oh boy, abeg. No say I like this your woman. I no wan make it should come up with you 12 now. Take that girl make she come up for us.
God have mercy. No, everywhere good.
As I hear, I say make I call you. No wahala na.
Well, no, thank you.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. This man.
Oh wait.
Nico.
Thank you.
You didn't enter. Yeah, the water going. Try coffee again. Don't go.
I'm good.
Fine boy. That's really fine.
Let's continue our film.
How is Castro? Castro. How is Castro?
How do you know I was talking on phone with Castro?
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
We were watching movie before, right?
You don't need to panic, oh. You're not panicking.
So you heard everything?
No. There's no problem at all. It's 3 weeks now. 3 weeks will turn to 3 years. It's long distance like that one. Me, I'm here. You see me now. I'm present here and now. So we don't have problem. We don't have problem.
Should go back to the movie.
We should go back to the movie. Overtaking is allowed.
God have mercy upon us.
But you see, in the next 3 weeks, don't eat my food.
Jesus!
Run. Sorry, may God not allow them, make them kill you.
Let me fuck up.